that's the title of the podcast episode, is when do you have to fire a client? So there's a couple key differences between the scenario we just described and the ones where you're going to get rid of them.
Right.
So I think some of the red flags for one that is just not a good fit at all are they are going to cancel every time, reschedule every time. They're not okay with your scheduling window, so they just keep skipping on you. That's lost revenue. They complain every time. Every single clean we come out, you paid us to come out there. We did it, and you're going to call me up and take time out of your day to tell me that we didn't dust a corner of the kitchen counter and that you expect more out of us. Like, is it really that big of a deal? Like, I get that we're trying to cover the whole house, but the perfect clean is impossible, and we try to educate the customers on that too. Like, if you go hunting, you'll find something missed every time. But what benefit did you get out of it by calling us up to complain? So if there's a pattern, I mean, our go-to when someone complains like that is like, hey, we'll get someone out there to fix it right away. So we're sending 3 people to redo a room or a kitchen or something. That's the luxury customer service side of things that we tell people, but that's also wasted revenue and opportunity cost by having a team go do it. And if that's happening every single time, then you're losing money on every single job.
Right.
Keep it clean.